Hi, I'm David Wilkerson-Lindsey. I'm a student here studying integrative biology.
The Animal Biology AAP Summer Research Fellowship program is a collaboration between the Department of Animal Biology and the Access and Achievement program, which is in the College of LAS. And this fellowship provides paid research opportunities for students in the Access and Achievement program to do summer research in the biological sciences. We have David Wilkerson-Lindsey, who's examining how parental care and genetics influence where stickleback fish prefer to lay their nests.
I help out with behavioral biology experiments, so we study the behavior of these fish. And our lab studies three-spine stickleback. These fish make nests, so every morning I have to go and check and see if the males have finally made their nests, so they're ready to reproduce. Unlike the mothers in most species, the fathers are the ones that raise the clutch of eggs till they're viable and ready to go on their own. What we're trying to study is kind of the different effects that parenting has on them. The goal of the study is to see to what extent does this parenting have an impact, and it'll let us know how does paternal care compare to maternal care. Before this, I've never worked in a research lab. This is a good opportunity because it gives me that experience. Being in the lab, learning all the different techniques, working with animals, which is something I've always wanted to do, is pretty cool. All around good experience, enjoying it.